Hello friends, let's begin today's video. रोनी जैसा चेहरा मत बनाओ. Do not get misty-eyed. Do not get misty-eyed. तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do it? How can you do it? मेरा पीछा छोड़ दो. Get off my back. Get off my back. मैं तुम्हें एक मुक्के में गिरा दूंगा. I will take you down in one blow. I will take you down in one blow. उस वक्त मैं काफी दुखी था. I was quite unhappy that time. I was quite unhappy that time. ये टेलीफोन मेरे ज़माने का है. This telephone is from my era. This telephone is from my era. मैं पहले से ही समझदार हूँ. I am already sensible. I am already sensible. यह एक अजीब इत्तेफाक है. It is a strange coincidence. It is a strange coincidence. चीज़ें जल्दी ठीक हो जाएंगी. Things will get better soon. Things will get better soon. मुझे तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आना. I do not want to come with you. I do not want to come with you. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद करके अच्छा लगा. I felt good helping you. I felt good helping you. तुम जरा भी ध्यान नहीं देते. You do not pay attention at all. You do not pay attention at all. मुझे कम सैलरी से कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I do not mind getting lower salary. I do not mind getting lower salary. मैंने आपका काफ़ी समय ले लिया. I have taken enough of your time. I have taken enough of your time. बाहर जाते समय दरवाज़ा बंद कर देना. Close the door as you go out. Close the door as you go out. मुझे कामचोर लोगों से सख्त नफरत है. I hate shirkers. I hate shirkers. जो लोग काम से जी चुराते हैं उन्हें शर्कर कहते हैं. पहले अपना मन बना लो. Make up your mind first. Make up your mind first. मेरे लिए हलवा बना दो. Make the porridge for me. Make the porridge for me. मैं तुम्हारी बातों में नहीं आने वाला. I will not fall for your words. I will not fall for your words. मैं वैसा इंसान नहीं हूँ. I am not that sort of a person. I am not that sort of a person. मेरा भरोसा मत तोड़ो. Do not betray my trust. Do not betray my trust. मैं हर चीज़ का हिसाब रखती हूँ. I keep the record of everything. I keep the record of everything. आज जाम नहीं है. There is no traffic today. There is no traffic today. मैं तुम्हारा ध्यान खींचना चाहता था. I wanted to grab your attention. I wanted to grab your attention. मुझे तुम्हारी बातों पर यकीन नहीं है. I do not believe what you say. I do not believe what you say. मैं तुम्हारी शक्ल तक नहीं देखना चाहता. I do not even want to see your face. I do not even want to see your face. मैंने मना किया था ना? I told you not to, didn't I? I told you not to, didn't I? तुम मेरी बात क्यों नहीं सुनते? Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? शहद बहुत चिपचिपा होता है. Honey is so sticky. Honey is so sticky. सभी ने मेरे लिए ताली बजाई. Everyone applauded for me. Everyone applauded for me. गणित में मेरे 90 नंबर आए हैं. I scored 90 marks in maths. I scored 90 marks in maths. मैं वहाँ बहुत देर तक खड़ा रहा. I was standing there for a long time. I was standing there for a long time. मेरी सारी मेहनत बर्बाद हो गई. My all hard work came to nothing. My all hard work came to nothing. मुझे पता था ऐसा ही होगा. I knew this would happen. I knew this would happen. ज़्यादा दिखावा मत करो. Do not flaunt too much. Do not flaunt too much. जल्द से जल्द घर आ जाओ. Come home as soon as possible. Come home as soon as possible. मैं तुम्हें सबक सिखाऊंगा. I will teach you a lesson. I will teach you a lesson. मेरा ध्यान बस खाने पर था. My focus was only on food. My focus was only on food. तुमने किसी और को देखा होगा. You must have seen someone else. You must have seen someone else. वो मेरी कद काठी का है. He is of my height and physique. He is of my height and physique. क्या होगा अगर किसी ने हमें साथ देख लिया? What if someone sees us together? What if someone sees us together? दुकान तोड़ दी गई है. The shop has been demolished. The shop has been demolished. यहाँ आना मेरी मजबूरी थी. It was my compulsion to come here. It was my compulsion to come here. ये तुमने जानबूझकर किया है. You did this on purpose. You did this on purpose. सड़ी हुई सब्जियां फेंक दो. Throw away the rotten vegetables. Throw away the rotten vegetables. तुम्हें मुझसे माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए. You owe me an apology. You owe me an apology. गिलास में थोड़ा पानी डाल दो. Pour some water in the glass. Pour some water in the glass. तुम लोगों को ढूंढना मुश्किल था. You people were hard to find. You people were hard to find. वह मुझे पास के रेस्टोरेंट में ले गया. He took me to a nearby restaurant. He took me to a nearby restaurant. मैं हर साल खून देता हूँ. Every year I donate blood. Every year I donate blood. गुलाब की पंखुड़ियाँ मुलायम होती हैं. The rose petals are soft. The rose petals are soft. तुम अपनी बातों से पीछे मत हटो. You do not back out to your words. You do not back out to your words. बाजार से 1 किलो आलू ले आना। Bring 1 kg potatoes from market. Bring 1 kg potatoes from market. मुझे फालतू बातों में मत उलझाओ। Do not drag me into useless things. Do not drag me into useless things. मेरी तुम्हारी सोच एक जैसी नहीं है। We do not have similar mindset. We do not have similar mindset. आई होप आप ये सेंटेंसेस अपनी डेली लाइफ में ज़रूर इस्तेमाल करेंगे। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कर दीजिए। चैनल को अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। थैंक यू।